Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Well, since the advent of ChatGPT, there has been an explosion in the number of AI services available covering all sorts of knowledge areas. So much so that it's really hard to keep up with what's available, as well as become proficient in its usage. In addition, many of the AI services now are subscription-based, and it sort of becomes difficult to know where to focus your spend. One service that addresses all of these issues is Poe by Quora, an app that allows you to interact with conversational AI bots, and it's available as a web, macOS, iOS, and Android app. Poe brings together a large number of AI services into one place, and also includes a number of pre-built bots, which are designed to give you access to specialized information, image generation, entertainment, and advice. There is a limited free version of the service for you to try out, but for full access, there is a subscription-based model, which gives you access to many of the services that you usually subscribe to individually. But let's make a start at exploring Poe. So this is the Poe website across over at poe.com. I'm going to sign up as a new user here. I think I'll show you the free version first. I have got a full-blown account which I've subscribed to, and we'll log on to that a little bit later on to remove some of the limitations. I could also use my iPhone, register a phone number. I could also continue with Google or continue with Apple, but I'm just going to go ahead and use my SEO demo email address. So a code has been sent to my email address. Let me go across to my iPhone. I can see without opening the message, it's 049778. We'll say verify. So this is the user interface of the Poe web service, but to be honest, the Mac app is identical. So we'll use the web interface for now. I will download the Mac app a little bit later on so you can see that, but the layout is pretty much the same. Now, across the top, we have 3 default bots, and basically a bot is simply another name for a software application which is designed to carry out tasks for you. And in most of these cases, the Poe bots are designed to interact with you and the various services available. Now, there are many bots available. As you can see across the top, we've got Assistant, Web Search, GPT-4, and more. But you can see these other bots down here as well. So we've got the official bots. These are the ones that are provided by Poe. And then we've got other bots that people have created that also interface to different AI services. Now, many of these bots are very simple. In fact, if you remember back to the ChatGPT show that I did not too long ago, to interact with an AI service, you need to generate a prompt, sort of a list of instructions or a description of what you want to ask the AI service. And all these bots that people have created are just specialized prompts, basically, just give you access to specialized prompts and point you in the right direction. As you can see, popular bots, new bots, image generation bots, bots that you can interact with for jokes, etc., funny bots, music bots, writing bots, etc. Now, obviously, I'm not going to cover every single one of these. There are too many, but I will come back a little bit later on and we'll have a look at some of the bots that people have created. Before we take a look at the bots themselves, though, let's have a look at the sidebar. So we've got an option to explore. To get back to this homepage, we just click on the icon in the top corner. You can create your own bot. We might touch on that a little bit later. Any bots that you follow, you can access here. This is where you can subscribe to the Poe service, go into your profile and also your settings. Now, you can download the various apps here as well, but let's, as I say, carry on with just the web service for now. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.